What is the difference between mass and weight? I think it's something that a lot of people get confused about it. They think that anything that's big, it has a lot of weight and very heavy. Mass at first is the amount of matter in an object, but weight is a force. It's gravitational attraction that object feels. So for today, we have an experiment. We brought a car. We asked some teachers and students, why is it difficult to push a car? So we bet the answer will be because the car is very heavy.
Hello, Ms. Roja.
Hello, Eva.
Today we're going to be doing an activity. So I want to ask you, why doesn't the car move whenever we're pushing it?
That's because it is very heavy, so we cannot move it. It's hard to move.
So now we're going to ask some teachers. Hi, Miss.
Hi, dear. Welcome.
So today we're doing an activity, and I want to ask you, why can't we push a car?
Push a car? Okay, isn't it because pressure and it's too heavier? And there's a small, I don't know about car actually, but I guess it's a pressure that and gravity too.
I have a question for you. Why can't we push the car easily?
Because it's too heavy, so we need more energy to be pushed it.
So today we're doing an activity, so I want to ask you, why can't we push the car?
Because it's heavier than us and it also has a bigger mass than us. Because it has more weight than us.
Why doesn't the car move while we're pushing it?
I have two answers. The first answer, I think, because the force it's not enough to push the heavy things. The other thing is the inertia, which is when the resistance of, I forget the whole answer, but I think inertia is the basic reason because it resists the movement of the steady object.
Now this one, when each one.
Sorry, mister. Hi.
Hi.
As a math teacher, we have a question for you. Why can't we move a car easily?
Because the mass of the car is so heavy, and to be able to move it, you need a lot of force, a big force, to be able to move this car.
Today we're going to do an activity, and I want to ask you, why can't we push a car?
Because it has a more inertia.
Okay. Why can't we push a car now?
Because it has lots of inertia and also the fact that it weighs tons of metals and iron.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So today I want to ask you a question. Why can't we push a car?
Because it's heavy.
How fast?
Hi, mister.
Hello.
Sorry. Hi. Thank you. We have a question for you. Why can't we push a car easily?
For pushing cars, you need acceleration, I think. So if you don't have acceleration, you cannot push a car.
Okay, thank you. We have a question for you. Why can't we push a car?
Because the car is heavy.
Okay, thank you.
So today we're doing an activity, and I want to ask you, why can't we push a car?
Because it's heavy.
Now we're gonna ask these students. Hi, guys.
Hi.
We have a question for you. Okay. Why can't we push a car easily?
Because it has more weight.
Okay, and you?
A car mass is more than 1 ton.
Thank you, guys.
And after a day of asking questions, we finally got some answers. Some said mass, some said weight, and some said inertia. Well, let's see the difference. Mass is the amount of matter in an object, and weight is the gravitational pull on an object. And inertia, which is the correct answer, is the tendency of an object to resist being moved. So the correct answer out of all three answers was inertia.